This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set the clock on a Jeep Renegade. Start by turning the ignition to ACC or on so the dash powers up, then open the settings menu on the instrument cluster or Uconnect touchscreen. Navigate to clock or time, use the arrows or touchscreen to set hours and minutes, press OK to confirm, and double-check the display reads correctly before closing the menu. In this video, I will show how to set the clock on a Jeep Renegade. With the ignition in ACC or on, press and hold the menu button on the instrument cluster until the settings screen appears. Use the left and right steering wheel arrows to locate the clock option, press OK to enter, then change hours and minutes with the arrows. Press OK again to save and exit, and verify the time displays correctly. In this video, I will show how to set the clock on a Jeep Renegade. If your Renegade has Uconnect, tap Settings on the touchscreen, then choose Clock or Time from the menu. Use the on-screen plus and minus or numeric controls to set hours and minutes, then tap Save or Done. If daylight savings applies, remember to adjust by 1 hour and recheck the time after saving to ensure it reads correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.